Good morning, guys! Welcome to Life with Lena, and if you guys are new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It is currently 10:20 in the morning. I took my pill this morning for my cold sore. My mom had a cold sore this morning too. I don't know if it's from like the matte lipstick she tried a couple of days ago and it just hit her now. I have no idea, but she did get one this morning. And I only have one pill left of my cold sore pills, and I feel like it's not fully gone yet. I don't know. I haven't rubbed my like teeth over it to see, but I just feel like it's not. So I don't know if I should like refill my pack and get some more to have tonight and then maybe the next day. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe I should do that. But right now I gotta get out of bed. Gotta scan something over for Madre and email it to some peoples. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think I'm just gonna order some more pills. If anything, I'll have a refill. We'll see later, like if I need it or not, but if I don't, I'll still have a refill for next time it happens, so I don't have to like, you know, struggle, go pick it up that day, whatever, next time I get a cold sore. But I'll order a new one on the CVS app. Okay guys, I ordered a refill. I think I had one refill left on that, so that's good. And I just made some cafe. This is the hazelnut from Dunkin' Donuts K-Cup. Made some oatmeal for breakfast, and I have my hazelnut cafe. Yeah, you like my healthy oatmeal with chia seeds and flax seeds, huh? My mom tried to give Kuba some kielbasa, but he just went back to the oatmeal. He was like, no, where are you? Where are you, Kuba? Hello? Mister? Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. He said no to kielbasa, and he was like, I just want some more oatmeal. Yeah, you little munchkins. Okay, guys, I got ready, got dressed, put some makeup on. My skin is really, really dry. So in order to like try and make it not look so dry, like I put moisturizer under my makeup, but then it still was looking really, really dry. So then I put like a thicker, like a moisturizer on top of my makeup, like in some of the spots, and then I just put powder over that again too. Looks a little better. But I don't know if you guys could see like some dryness. I have some acne scarring obviously, but some dryness and things like that. But anyway, sorry, I just like turned my car on and then I ran back home because my employee's there, and I like rang the doorbell for her to like open the door because my car was heating up and I forgot my shoes because I'm taking my shoes to the shoe repair. I have one pair of shoes that needs to be stretched out and one pair of shoes, like the whole bottom, needs to be fixed. And then I'm also going to the car place so they can put in my new light bulbs. And then I'm going to Stop and Shop so I could get like some fruits and veggies and things because I want to make a video today. Okay, I got lots of stuff to do today. Lots of steps. Steps? Did I say steps? Stuffs. Stuffies. Okay guys, my cold sore is looking so much better. Oh, and that's another thing. I have to go to CVS because I refilled my prescription and it's ready to pick up. So I'm gonna go pick up my prescription. I think I'll do that first because that's actually right by the auto place. Oh, text message from my sister. Alright guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Back at the car place. They're pulling my car in right now. You guys see my car? There it goes. Is my car. My car is all taken care of. It only costed me 15 bucks to do that. Now I'm at CVS trying to pick up my prescription, but it doesn't say it's ready. And I was here before and they said like 10 more minutes and I don't know what's going on. So hopefully it'll be ready. Have a great day. Thank you, you too. Got my prescription, guys. Now I'm actually just gonna pull over for a second because I'm going to like a shoe repair place. I've never been to this other place before, so I need to kind of just like Google Maps it. I kind of know where it is, but I'm not really entirely sure, so I'll see you guys in a bit again. Okay guys, I dropped off my shoes. Now I'm going to like this coffee shop. I've never been there before, but I walked past it because, well, I parked like kind of far from here. I mean, because there's snow everywhere. Not in those parking spots, but there's snow in some of these parking spots that you can't even park, or at least my car will never get up there. So I walked by a coffee shop and I'm gonna go try it instead of Starbucks, even though Starbucks is right here too, but we'll try the new coffee shop instead, like a local coffee shop. Got a little cappuccino, and this thing was $3.25. I feel that's a little pricey for like a supposedly local coffee shop. This cup feels very light too. I don't know. I don't know if I like this coffee shop. I feel like they got ripped off. Okay, I guess it's pretty full. I don't know if you guys could see. Don't want it to spill. Let me try it. I mean, it looks good. It's good. But I mean, for $3.25, I think I'd rather add like $1.75 and get like a venti from Starbucks compared to this little cup. Because like a venti is like this much taller, I feel like, so I don't know. Alright, anyway, now since we did the shoe repair, we did my car, the next stop is the grocery store so I could do my video later. Okay, let's see, what do I need? I made like a little grocery list last night, so gotta go shopping, gotta go grocery shopping. Hopefully there's parking. Okay, cucumber, ginger, lemon, lime, mango. That's my whole shopping list right there. I think I need an orange too, actually, hold on. I made like a list of what I'm making. Oh, raspberries too. Okay, so mango, cucumber, ginger, lemon, oh, and mint. Lemon, orange, mint, and raspberries. I think that's it, and lime, and strawberry kiwi. Okay, I think I forgot to make the rest of my list last night. I'll just look at my things of recipes that I'm doing instead. Woo, what a fail. Forgot to make the rest of my list. Look guys, the section that was under construction last time I came here is all done. This is like all organic food now. They even have a sign that says great for juicing. Got my groceries. I also stopped by and I got like Mega Millions and a Powerball ticket, and the lady was like, can I see your ID? And then I gave it to her. She's like, oh, okay, like I guess when she saw my age. And then I was like, I know, I look like a baby. She was like, yeah, I thought you were 14. Oh my gosh. Why do people think I'm so young? I honestly do not think I look 14. I mean, I could see 18, 19. I don't think I look 14, but one of you guys also thought I was 14 as well on my vlog channel. One of you guys asked if I was 14. I'm not 14, I'm 25, guys. But, I mean, I guess it's good to look younger. 11 years younger, I mean, I'll take it. I'll love myself for that when I'm like 30. Or when I'm 40, I'll love myself if I look 29, you know? I'll take it. Okay guys, I just filmed my chia seed pudding recipe video. Now I'm doing one more video that I wanted to do, which is with the fruits and veggies that I got earlier today. So, one more video to go for today. That's not including the intro and outro, but I mean, I'll do that at some point. I don't know. Probably not today. On Wednesday I already have a video going up, so maybe I'll film like again tomorrow or Wednesday and do all of like my intros and outros. I don't know, we'll see. But this is like my setup. I got my Diva ring light right there. I'm doing like all my work in here, so obviously these are like recipe videos. The one I'm about to film also is a recipe video because, you know, fruits and veggies, so it's gonna be so fun. I hope you guys like all of these videos, and I'm having so much fun like filming them. I love, like, I don't know why, but I love filming like healthy kind of stuff videos, so like chia seed pudding and like green juices. I don't know, it's so much fun to me because I mean, I guess that's like what I'm interested in. Like, I love that kind of stuff, so for me it's fun. Alright guys, I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna film this next video now, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm done filming now. I'm going to like import all the footage. I guess I'll start editing it. I still didn't do like my planner video for today yet. I don't even know what to film today. Oh my gosh, I still have to do that at some point today, but I don't know what to film, and this is more exciting, just like editing the videos that I just filmed. I don't know, those are more exciting than planner videos. Got some dinner. My dad made something, I don't really know what, but I see noodles, I see chicken, I think, I don't know, tomatoes or peppers, spinach. It smells really yummy and cheesy. I've been sitting here editing my video. There's a little hint of what it was about. I finished my food as well, and now I'm actually gonna go to my car and see if my lights are brighter. Now that it's dark outside, I could actually check. Wow guys, my lights are so much brighter, and they're actually white. They look good. Whoa, they look so good. Look at this guys, ready? Ready? This is no light right now. I don't know. I think that's like the moon that's shining down, but look. Woo! those are so bright. I love them. They look so good. And then these are my brights, which barely do anything apparently. But those look so good. Alright guys, I'm about to go film a video for my planner channel. I am going to create, whoa, can't see anything. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna create a budget for myself. I feel like I need to budget. I'm gonna use like estimated income numbers, but I'm gonna do like real other expense numbers that I actually have. So, cause you know, like my income is different every single week, so it varies from month to month, but I'm going to like estimate it of like, I don't know, I'm just gonna estimate my monthly income and we'll see what we come up with my budget and how much I should be saving a month and things like that. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for my planning video today. I think that'll be really interesting because I mean I've never really actually budgeted this way. My budget is normally just whatever income I get for like that week. I put away 30% to taxes, 30% is business, then I do 15% personal, 15% bills, and then 10% goes into my savings. That's what I normally did, but I feel like I need to like really sit down and like see where all my money is going, because I feel like I should be putting away more in savings. I don't know, does that make sense? And in seeing it this way, maybe I'll spend less on like clothes and things like that. This past year I feel like I spent quite a bit. The past like 5 years before that I really didn't buy new clothes. This past year I did though. And now with like YouTube and everything, I spend a certain amount on makeup, or I need to spend a certain amount on makeup because, you know, review videos and things, but I don't want to like overspend like I've been doing with like Kylie Cosmetics. Like that's been my weakness, but I think this will be good for me and I could like literally get into like a system and a budget and not overspend on these things that I don't want to spend extra or too much money on, you know? So that's gonna be my planning video for today. Let me film it, edit it, and I'll see you guys again in a little bit. So guys, I just edited my video of my budget planning. I thought I did such a good job, and then I was editing and I realized I totally messed up the numbers, so I put a note in the video that I messed up some numbers, but it's okay. It's my first time trying this out, and now I deserve a glass of wine. So cheers, Mom, whose glass I poured, who's not here right now. Oh, this Manchevitz thing is so good, guys. I told you guys about this before. Such a cheap wine. It was so good, so sweet, so yummy. It's really so good. So good. Also want to give you guys an update. After I purchased like that SWAGBUCKS gift card with my 500 points, I purchased a $5 Amazon gift card that was equal to 500 points, and they emailed me that my SWAGBUCKS gift card is ready. So I don't really know where to go for that just yet. I'm trying to look at like in my account maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, my gift cards, I guess, on my SWAGBUCKS website. So it says my gift card is ready. That this is my available gift cards and promotional codes. I don't really know how to get that number though to use it. Ah, I see, guys. All right, so it says redeem your $5 Amazon gift card, and it says view my gift card code. So I think I could just put this into my Amazon in a second. Well, it works, guys. I guess SWAGBUCKS is not a scam, so I'll have the link for SWAGBUCKS down below where you just take surveys, you get points, and then you could get gift cards, because I just applied that gift card code to my Amazon and it says $5 has been added to my gift card balance. So now I got $5. So I will have the link for you guys to sign up if you guys are interested in SWAGBUCKS, just in like an extra way to make money if you guys are like doing nothing at night, or if you're watching a TV show and you want to answer like some survey questions and things and make some points, earn some money. I will have the link for you guys down below. I think you get $5 if you guys sign up with my link. So yes, just check the bottom bar down below. It'll be like in all of my description things. I'll change like my descriptions to always have that. Not the past ones, but all future descriptions will have that code for you guys for whenever you guys want to sign up with SWAGBUCKS and make a little extra dough on the side. Alright guys, don't know really what I've been doing for this past hour or two. too since I last talked to you guys. I know I've been refreshing my page on YouTube because I'm addicted to refreshing. I wanted to see like how my most recent video was doing and what your feedback was. So I've been looking at that and responding to comments. I was looking at websites with my mom, just like shopping websites. I was looking at ThredUp for some discount clothes and stuff, just browsing. I'm not buying anything, I was just looking. And then I figured out that my Plenty, I was trying to see like my balance on my Plenty points card, and I have like mostly enough to pay for my next AT&T bill, and then I realized that it's like not synced up with my AT&T payments anymore, so I had to relink that. And I also messaged them trying to get my points for the past payments because I've never unsigned and like unlinked it, so I don't know why it hasn't been linked up since May. Maybe because like I switched to like my AT&T account from my ex-boyfriend's account to my own. That could have been it, and then I just forgot. But maybe they'll be able to, maybe they'll be nice and give me some points back. Who knows? But for that, for them to pay, for Plenty to pay for like my AT&T bill, I have to go to like the actual AT&T store, so maybe I'll do that like this week or something. I don't know, gotta find an AT&T store nearby first. But anyway guys, I'm gonna call it a night. It's already 11:21. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!